If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another wig review. So your girl is back with another wig review. I know I sound like your girl is sick, but that wasn't going to stop this review for y'all. I'm going to be reviewing. I'm like so excited to review this hair with y'all. Like, I'm in love. Like, I would give this wig a 10 out of 10. And y'all know, if y'all know, now you know, I am honest with wig reviews, because I'm not that type of person that plays with people's money. Okay, this is 22 inches and this is a closure, and this is pre-cut. The lace, you don't even have to cut the lace. You guys will see as you continue to watch the video that I didn't have to cut the lace. I just took it out the bag, added some of my powder foundation on the lace just so that it like blends into my skin tone. I added a couple of curls in the front, hot combed it, did a little baby hairs. It came with baby hairs, as you guys will see as you continue to watch. It came with baby hairs, but I did cut them down and customize them the way I like them. But again, this is body weight, 22 inches. And this is the hair at its natural state, and it's glueless. And like, I've been a glueless girl for a while now. Like, I'm not trying to glue and do all of that now. I'm just trying to get something quick, easy, and ready to go. So yeah, let me not talk y'all ears off, because I will. All right, y'all, continue watching, and thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. All the information will be in the description box below. The link, you could just click the link and order your hair right there. Yeah, so continue watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.
Love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can make you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love, your love. place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, won't let no one come and take your place.
Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed recording this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And also comment, you could comment some companies you guys want me to review, and your girl got it for you. But yeah, bye y'all.